Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I'll show how you can redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. The first step that you need to take is to launch the menu. Here, tap at the scan code option. And now there are two options you can go with. You can either upload a picture of your code that you would like to redeem from your gallery. So, select it, upload it, and wait for it to be scanned. Or you might as well just use the camera option. First of all, provide the Dragon Ball Legends game with the camera access, and then point your camera to the code you would like to scan, to the code that you have, and it will be scanned and applied promptly. So that will be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.